Freddy's. We did a birthday cake, but Weston, he wants cupcakes. I don't know how to draw cupcakes. Me and Jane are gonna have to figure it out. Freddy's. She's got a good design going. What do you think, Freddy's? Is he gonna like it? Is it gonna look so good you could eat it?
I want to have a cupcake.
Freddy's, can you draw a cupcake?
Yeah.
Weston, it was his birthday, and we got him a cake drawing, but he wants a cupcake drawing, huh?
Cupcake!
Let's get started right now.
Yeah!
All right, Freddy's, it's your turn. All you need is something to draw on and something to draw with. We use a marker, but you can use a pencil, a crayon, whatever you want. It is time to draw the cutest, most yummiest cupcake there is. Let's get started. Where's Jane? I can't get started with Jane without Jane. Jane, the breadies are waiting. I'll go get her. Ready? Let's get started. First, we're gonna do the wrapper. We're just gonna go down, over, and up for the bottom of our cupcake wrapper. Ready, Jane? Whoop. Meow. Whoop. All right, go, Jane. Down. Over.
And a big one.
You're gonna make a big one. All right. That looks so good. You're gonna have the biggest cupcake in the world.
I'm gonna make it like.
All right, breadies. Next step, we're just gonna do a round curve because we're gonna show our frosting. Ready, Jane? Round and over. Can you do that? And then, oops, I'll just connect it right here. Boop.
Wait, do you do that?
Yeah, do a little round and over to show the frosting. Round and over. Good job. Perfect. You're gonna have the biggest cupcake in the world. All right, breadies. So we're gonna continue this round part. We're just gonna go up, and we're gonna curve over here as well. So watch this, breadies. We're gonna curve over and then stop short of the end. That's a good job because we're gonna curve it right here for our next layer. All right, so this is gonna look like almost the curve up, the opposite how this curves down, like this, breadies. Watch this. Curve up and stop. Then connect this here up to that. Boom! Yours just gonna be really big. Nice. You're gonna have a big cupcake. All right, breadies. Next, almost the same thing here, but we're just gonna do another layer of it here. And we're gonna do a surprise on the top. We're not gonna tell you yet. So to do that surprise, we definitely, Jane, we need to stop real soon. So let's remind ourselves and do a dot. Like your dot will be like right here. You want me to do it for you? So I'll put a dot for you, and then for me, I'll put my dot, same area right there. Okay, super easy next step. We're gonna go in a little, and we're gonna go, same thing, around and over to our dot. Stop at our dot. So good, Jane. All right, here's our surprise at the top. It's gonna be so cute. We're gonna do a cherry on top of our cupcake. So this right here, the cherry is gonna be like laying in our cupcake, Jane. So we'll just take this and go circle. It's not gonna be a full circle. It's gonna end over here. So watch this, Jane. Let's do it kind of big so we can put a face on it.
I need a big one because I...
Boom! Yeah. Well, you don't wanna go too high because you need your stem. But do a big one.
big. Cause we got a
That
big
looks so
cupcake with a
good.
big cherry.
Oh, imagine if this was chocolate and you just bite it and put your whole face in it right there. Mmm. All right.
You would get your mustache dirty.
Yeah, my mustache would get dirty. All right, so let's connect this part here. So we're just gonna curve it, keep this curve going right into the cherry. Like this, watch that. Whoop, right into the cherry. Perfect. Nice. All right, and then this is a really easy part. We imagine this line going through the cherry, and then we just do like a curl, like the top of the frosting. Ready? And down.
I did it.
What's that look like? Like an elf's shoe?
Yeah, that
It
really
looks like an elf's shoe.
Oh, if you turn it around.
What's it look like?
It's an elf shoe.
Yeah, elf shoe. Cute.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, buddies, I'm really excited what this is gonna look like in the end. I can't wait. Oh yeah, do your elf shoe.
Yeah.
Nice.
I like
All right.
elf shoe.
Yeah. All right, let's get back so the Breddies can see our drawings. All right, Breddies, it's looking so good. We have our frosting. We have our, probably can't tell yet. So let's do our stem to show you that this is gonna be a cherry. We're just gonna go a line. Whoop, that's it.
Can we do an X to show like
An X? I don't know. That might not look like a cherry if you do an X. How about you do the stem? There you
Can I do the
go.
X at the end?
Yeah, maybe at the end. All right, Brace. So we have our cupcake wrapper. We have our cupcake frosting. We have our cherry. What is missing, Jane?
The face and the color.
Face. All right, Breddies. Let's do.
Just have a plain white.
Oh, we're gonna color after, but right now, Breddies, let's do our face. So you know how I like to do my eyes.
Yes.
So just practice our circles, Breddies. One big eye here. And one big eye here.
I did that
What'd you do? You always do huge eyes. That's your style.
to make it cute.
Yeah. And then, you know me, Breddies, I like my circles. So I do, let's have him looking, we'll have the circles on this side of his face. So we'll just do one circle over
I'm
here.
doing the opposite.
Cool, I like it. One circle over here. And then a little circle underneath. And then a little circle underneath. Oh, looks awesome. Remember, Breddies, if we're going too fast, just hit that rewind button and go back to the step where you lost us at. And then you can keep going.
Why do you always say hit?
Well, because sometimes you get so concentrated on making yours look perfect that maybe we get a little ahead of them. And then it's frustrating because they want to follow each step. All right, for the mouth, I'm copying Jane. I'm going to do her cute, big smile when she does. Coop. It's like a U, Breddies, and then a line on top. Really simple.
That's what I do.
Yeah, it's so cute. And then a little tongue over here.
No, I never do that.
You don't do the tongue?
Yeah.
I like the cute.
She's a cupcake. She doesn't have a tongue.
Oh, I think the tongues make it look cute. And then we just fill it in, Breddies. All right, that is looking so good. We're almost done. We're gonna add a few more details, Breddies. Guess what? We want our cherry to have a little face. We think it'll be so cute. Let's make it different than our cupcake face, Breddies. So I used my big eyes here and my huge smile. So maybe up here, I'll just do a little smile and maybe like a, what should we do for eyes? Just like let's do these eyes. These are cute eyes when it's like smiling. Whee! Oh, that's so cute, huh?
But guess what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
I am gonna do the cherry looking down at the cupcake.
Oh, they're making like nice. So, Breddies, for me, I just did 2 upside down U's and then a regular U. You know what? Let's do a let's bring a little smile in here. Whoop.
She's like looking down and she sees she's on a cupcake and she's like, oh.
Ooh, like a surprised one? That's cool.
She's surprised that she's on a cupcake.
That's nice. And then I'm gonna do like a little U here to show the like stem.
And this is what I do.
Let's see it. Oh, a little X. That's cute. All right, Breddies. We're almost done. I want to do a few lines to show the cupcake wrapper. So let's just do like 4 lines. And Jane, we want to do them at an angle to give it kind of a 3D effect. So we're gonna
finally doing it.
Yeah, we're finally gonna do it. So I'm gonna do my first inside ones. So like right above this mouth, we're gonna go in. 1, 2. See how this one goes in and that one goes in? Can you do that?
1, 2.
Nice. And then almost right here. Whoop. Whoop.
Why do the cupcake ones have...
I don't know. Cupcake stores have these lines because that's what the cupcake holder looks like. And then let's envision this line going down, and we'll just do the bottom to match.
That's weird.
The bottom to match.
I actually did it.
The bottom to match. And the bottom to match. All right, Breddies. That looks so good. Jane, are you hyped or what? Guess what time it is?
Color.
Coloring time! All right, Breddies. We hope you had so much fun. We're going to color and fast forward this part to the end.
Look at mine.
I'm going to give her a little...
the same.
I want to give her a little tongue again. Cute.
No, thanks.
All right, Breddies. Let's color. We're done with our cupcakes. We're gonna reveal 3, 2, 1. Check them out, dude. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jane got crazy with hers. Just crazy with the colors. Why'd you go crazy?
Because my cupcake needs to be perfect.
Oh, it's perfect. Weston's gonna love them. So, Breddies, we're so glad you joined us. We figured out how to draw a cupcake. We hope you had so much fun drawing a cupcake that looked so good that you could taste it right off the paper. But guess what? We also want you to check out our unicorn donut. So go right now to that video. It's awesome. It's a donut. It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn. It's a donut. What is it?
It's a poop.
It's not a poop. It's not a poop at all.
I love the poop emoji.
Oh, there's a poop emoji video too, but we want you to go check out the unicorn donut. So go over there.
Poop emoji.
Right now.
Poop emoji.
We're waiting.
Emoji.
Literally on that video, we're waiting for you. Me and Jane we're sitting there waiting for you. Go.
Go to the poop emoji one.
We're waiting on that video for you too, but I think they should go to the unicorn donut.
No. Poop emoji.
See you there. Weston, we made this for you for your birthday. Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Daddy.
What?
So.
Are you eating a pickle
I
and
need to
pretzel?
draw my own of it.
Now you want to draw your own?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's draw your own. Cool, dude.
Yeah.